Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss how to use if statement in Java. As we already discussed in our last class. So inside public Java program is written public class. Class name is here big2, and you have to save the file with whatever the class name you are provided where the main function is written. Then inside classes we have to write the main function. How writing the main function is public static void main string argument. So this is the methods we call in C++ is known as member function. In Java that is known as a method. So the main function is written inside the class as a method. So we will declare two variable here, int x equal to 20 and y equal to 20. And these two information x and y is known as data member of the class. Now if statement is as already declared the two variable with a value x equal to 20 and y equal to 18. We are going to compare here. So we are getting x is 20 is greater than 18. If the condition is true, then only will print inside the statement. In Java we will write system is a class dot output dot println. So system dot out dot println, it's for the output statement. How we will use printf statement in C language, C out in C++. In Java we will write system dot out println. If I write a println, it will go for new line after the statement. If you use print, it will appear in the same line. So we are using double quotation. So we are printed x is greater than y. So this is our example using if statement. So we got x is greater than y. Suppose if y value is greater than x, at that time you will not implement using if statement. So that you have to use one more statement. So then we have to, that is else. Then I will copy the same information and I will paste it. And I will change x to y is greater than x. So I will save and I will run it. Now we got y is greater than x. So this is a example. In this example we learned how to use if statement and else statement for the biggest of two number. Now the same example we will implement with the largest of three number. So when we are using the largest of three number, the condition appear more than once. So we can't use if else statement. So we have to use one more statement, that is if else ladder. So I will change my file name. So I will make big3. So I will take one more variable, int z equal to 35. So here the condition, here I have to put the condition, so that if in the last example you have taken x is compared with y, now x has to compare with y and z. So that we will add logical AND operator, x is greater than z. If the both the conditions are true, then we are printing x is greater than y comma z. So the same program we written largest of three number, just I added the condition twice. So AND operator is used for if both the conditions are true, then only it will execute the statement written inside the if. So if it is wrong, then I can't write directly y is greater than z, because I am not comparing with the z. So y has to compare with the z. So I have to use else if, in bracket I will write y is greater than x, y is greater than x, and y is greater than z. Then I will let y is larger than x comma z. So the question arises, you may get. Now we written the two statements. If find x is greater than, if x is not, first condition is false, then we are checking y we are checking with x and y, x and z. Now if both are not true, then last will be the else. By default you already know that which statement will be the largest. If x is not largest, if y is not largest, then z will be the largest. So just I copy and paste. I am writing z is larger than x and y. So we came to know that this is the three information, just how I changed biggest of two number to biggest of three number. Just so when I want to use biggest of three number, we have to use if else ladder. We will execute our program. Now we got z is a greater than x and y. All of in this video we have learnt how to use if statement, else statement, if else ladder. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.